Welcome to Chohe Adventures. On this video I'm gonna be showing you how to do this Father's Day rock. It is very simple to make. You can do it with your kids, with your nephews, or just as a project at church or at school. I only use 6 colors: white, black, blue, red, orange, and white. All of them are acrylics. I coated 2 times with white acrylic paint. I started by doing a rough sketch, the position where I'm gonna be placing the letters, and then I proceeded to start painting the letters. Again, this is very simple, but it's really nice present for a father. By the way, happy Father's Days to all of those who are fathers and those that are not. Basically, I'm not saying that they are not. What I mean by that is that if they are stepfathers and they have taken the time and the effort, the love to nourish a love for a stepson, that is considered a father too. So Father's Day as well. And for those single mothers that roast their kids, for them too, happy Father's Day. They are mother and father as well. A little bit of my story, maybe you don't want to hear about me, but I was a year and a half old when my dad was deceased. So I never grew up with a father. I never had a father figure until I came here to the United States. I was already 21, and then my uncle basically stood and nourished me and gave me love and showed me things that no one did before. So I'm very grateful for him. Unfortunately, he passed away, but I was fortunate enough to spend time with him when I came here to the United States. So we go back to the rock. This is very basic rock to make. It's simple. You can do as you please. You can change the word. You can put I love you grandpa, or I love you daddy, I love you father, whatever you please. And I apologize for my accent or my English, but as Celia Cruz said, my English is not very good looking. Azúcar!
Remember that my English is not very good looking. Azúcar! Azúcar!
I put glitter on the heart to make it look a little bit nicer. And then I started to highlight the edges of the letters with black acrylic paint. I'm gonna leave the descriptions of the paints that I use down below on the descriptions of this video. When I did this rock, I just made the letters and nothing else, but then I looked at the rock and I thought it kind of looks a little bit bland or plain, so I decided to paint 2 flowers. I used the orange and yellow just to make the combination of the 2 flowers. You can call it a mini sunflower or a daisy, but it's just a flower, just to make it look a little bit nicer. And that's what I decided to do. Let me know what you think about this rock, if you liked it or not. What is it that you can put, or what would you change about this rock? And give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the content of this channel. And I'll see you on the next video. And this is the finished rock coated with resin. Happy Father's Day.